A colloquial adjective for someone whose behavior or movements are clumsy is
Imbranato,
in Italian. The corresponding feminine form is,
imbranata,
whereas the respective plurals are,
imbranati,
and
imbranate. Imbranato. Luigi è un tipo imbranato. Giovanni, invece, è molto sicuro di sé.
Luigi is a clumsy type. Giovanni, on the other hand, is very confident. Like many adjectives, imbranato can also function as a noun, in which case it would translate as clumsy person, oaf, or klutz.
Quella ragazza è proprio un'imbranata.
That girl is a real klutz. Some possible synonyms include
Goffo,
clumsy, awkward,
impacciato,
clumsy, self conscious,
maldestro.
clumsy, bumbling.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.